In mitosis and meiosis, cells divide and make new cells. Mitosis has 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, all work in order to share genetic material and divide one cell in 2. Cells reproduce through cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are 2 types of division whose 4 distinct phases pass on genetic info to new cells. Now, prophase, the first longest phase. DNA coils into chromosomes. Nucleolus disappears. Nuclear membrane breaks down. Spindle fibers form from microtubules, and centrioles move to opposite sides of the cell. Centrioles only form in animal cells. Spindles will help separate sister chromatids. Cells reproduce through cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are 2 types of division whose 4 distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Metaphase. Chromosomes line up along the cell's equator. Spindle fibers attached at the centromere. One fiber extends to one cell pole. The other extends to the other pole. And sister chromatids are attached to separate fibers. It ensures the chromatids will be separate, so they end up in distinct cells, and the next phase begins. Whoa, they end up in distinct cells, and the next phase begins. Cells produce cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are 2 types of division whose 4 distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Anaphase. Sister chromatids separate, pulled apart by short spindle fibers. A chromatid moves one pole of the cell. The other moves the other pole, and each pole has 2 complete sets of chromosomes identical to the amount of DNA at the beginning of the G1 of the cell phase. And the last phase begins. Whoa, cells reproduce through cell division. Whoa, mitosis and meiosis are 2 types of division, whose 4 distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Telophase is the opposite of prophase. Chromosomes unwind to prepare to direct the cell's metabolic activities. Nuclear membrane reforms. Spindle fibers disappear, nucleolus reappears, and cytokinesis divides the cytoplasm, resulting in 2 genetically identical cells. And that ends the mitosis process. Cells reproduce through cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are 2 types of division whose 4 distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Meiosis 1 starts with prophase 1. Nuclear membrane breaks down, and the nucleolus disappears. Homologous chromosomes pair up. These pairs called protetrads, crossing over a May curve, meaning chromosomes swap genetic info. And prophase 1 gives way to metaphase 1. Meiosis is not mitosis. It results in 4 different haploid cells. There are 2 nuclear divisions. that cuts the chromosome count in half. Cells reproduce through cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are two types of division whose four distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Meiosis. Next step is metaphase 1. Here tetras line the center of the cell. Spindle fibers attached to each centromere. A spindle fiber from one pole attaches to one chromosome, while the opposite pole fiber attaches to the homolog. Soon the chromosomes will begin to separate, further dividing genetic information, and metaphase 1 will turn into anaphase 1. Dividing genetic info, and metaphase 1 will turn into anaphase. Cells reproduce through cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are two types of division whose four distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Meiosis 1, getting closer to the division of the cell. The third step is anaphase 1. Here is where the spindle fibers pull homologs apart. Chromosomes are drawn to opposite sides of the cell but stay intact. Now anaphase 1 is finished and division is closed. Telophase follows anaphase in the sequence. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, are what form sex cells. Giving us unique traits. And ensuring future generations exist. In meiosis 1, the final step is telophase 1. The nuclear membranes reform. The nucleolus reappears. Then the spindle fibers disappear. Cytokinesis splits the cytoplasm and organelles in half. This parent cell now becomes two daughter cells. The daughter cells are haploid and have half the chromosomes of the parent cell. Cells reproduce through cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are two types of division whose four distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Now meiosis 2 begins just like mitosis. First the nuclear membrane breaks down, then spindle fibers are formed. Chromosomes begin to appear, centrioles move apart in animal cells. The cell in this phase is haploid, meaning it has half the chromosome count of the original parent cell. Meiosis 2 is what gives us unique traits passed on to our children, and what makes us all different. Cells reproduce through cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are two types of division whose four distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Meiosis 2, next step is metaphase 2. Now the unduplicated chromosomes align along the equator of the haploid cells, and spindle fibers connect to centromeres. Next in anaphase 2, spindle fibers pull each chromosome apart and chromatids move to opposite sides of the cell. Chromosomes apart and chromatids move to opposite sides of the cell. Cells reproduce through cell division. Mitosis and meiosis are two types of division whose four distinct phases both pass on genetic info to new cells. Telophase 2, the nuclear membrane reforms, and the spindle fibers begin to disappear. The nucleus reappears. And now meiosis 2 is complete, but before mitosis and meiosis, DNA needs to replicate and 2 sets of chromosomes need to be created in order for mitosis and meiosis 1 to occur. Cytoplasm then divides, and 2 new smaller cells, form from the original parent cell, and complete the cell cycle.